Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic, theories of intelligence in educational psychology. There are several theories of intelligence in educational psychology. Here are some of the major theories. First one, Spearman two-factor theory. Spearman's theory suggests that intelligence can be divided into two factors, general intelligence G factor and specific intelligence S factor. The G factor is believed to be the underlying ability that is responsible for performance on all cognitive tasks, while the S factor is specific to a particular task or skill. Gardner's multiple intelligence theory. Gardner's theory suggests that intelligence is not a single ability but is instead made up of multiple intelligence. Gardner identified 8 different intelligence, including linguistic, logical, mathematical, spatial, musical, bodily, kinesthetic, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalist. According to Sternberg's Triarchic Theory, intelligence is composed of 3 distinct kinds of skills: analytical, creative, and practical. Practical intelligence is the capacity to adjust to new circumstances and find solutions to common issues, while analytical intelligence is the capacity to solve problems and think critically. Creative intelligence is the capacity to come up with novel ideas and think outside the box. The fluid and crystallized intelligence hypothesis puts forth the idea that there are 2 distinct kinds of skills that make up intelligence: fluid intelligence and crystallized intelligence. While crystallized intelligence involves the use of learned knowledge and skills, fluid intelligence involves the capacity to reason and solve problems in novel circumstances. Piaget's cognitive development theory. Piaget's theory contends that cognitive development, which takes place as kids engage with their surroundings, is what leads to intelligence. Piaget distinguishes 4 phases of cognitive development, each of which is marked by a unique way of thinking and approaching problems. The main ideas of intelligence is educational psychology. Include just a few of these. Each hypothesis has advantages and disadvantages, and scientists are still researching and developing these ideas to learn more about the origins of